set up the fan hub too also, if you guys can see it. This is a fan hub, and I don't have enough fan connections, but I do have plenty of SATA connections, and we're going to set this up. This is a great option for the fans that you want to connect. So I have these 3 fans up here that I don't have any extra connections to them. I don't want to connect to the motherboard. I want to connect them separate to the motherboard. You're able to control the fans from here. You could do low, high, and then off, completely off if you want it. So let's go ahead and set this up. Really good setup if you guys never set something like this up, and then we're gonna get these going. They're not connected. Like I said, they're not connected right now. This is what we're gonna set up. So let's go ahead and take you guys to the strip and set it up. For the fans, we're gonna go ahead and connect it right here. We're gonna leave it like somewhere in here. Here will be fine. Anywhere you want in the back. It's gonna be discreet. So this is the fan hub that we're gonna plug in. Really little simple solution to something very difficult. So we're gonna put the fan hub here, and we're gonna put the RGB lighting fan somewhere here to meet it halfway. So let's go ahead and start that. All right, as you can see, I have 3 fans connected right now. 1, 2, 3. I've spread them around just to make sure they all fit in the area. Right now I set it to low, but if we want it low, we just keep it low. If you want it high, go all the way to the bottom. If you want it off, you could turn them off. This is the only way you're going to be able to control the fans. All right, there is no motherboard connection fans unless you plug them into the motherboard directly. But at this time, I don't want to keep them with the motherboard connected. I don't want to burn out anything, overpower it. So right now we are going to keep them low, so it could keep this is to keep the radiator on cool. So my radiator for the water cooling system, that's what it is. One SATA connection plugs in the bottom, keep it low, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections, additional connections. The adhesive is really hard. It's 3M. It's double-sided tape. It's in there. If it falls in there, you can always replace it. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna turn it on in a bit. So we got the low power low. It's coming on. And if you can see, one of the fans is not turning on here. One of them is not connected properly. We're going to find out which one's this one right here. But the other ones are connecting here. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got all RGB lighting, all the connections for the fans connecting to the hub. And if you can see it, they're working now. Nice bringing out the air, which is good. We're going to put some other ones underneath. So blowing the air. Then right here, we're gonna turn it high. Look how high it goes. It's not cold enough. It's not blowing in the air. It's blowing the air in. It's sucking in the air. So set it low. Low. Really quiet. Nice and low. If you guys can see it, you can turn them off here too. Completely off. They're gonna turn off right now. I'm gonna stop 1, stop 2, stop 3. Keep it nice and low. Connect it. And that's what you do. So if you guys like stuff like this about the hub, one more questions about it. Inexpensive, cheap, ready to multitask on different fans. Let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.